Setting up the PowerNet 7x7 practice net is fast, easy, and perfect for training anywhere. Start by connecting the two center poles, one male to male, one male to female. Then, attach the center pole assembly to the two side legs. This forms the frame. Next, connect each upper and lower pole, then slide them through the net sleeves. Insert each assembled pole into the holders on the side legs. Repeat on both sides. Hook the top of the net to the notches on the upper poles. It's okay to bend the poles slightly to make this step easier. Then, hook the bottom of the net to the side legs and secure the red flap around the center pole. In just minutes, your PowerNet is fully set up and ready for training. When you're done, disassembly is just as simple. The entire net breaks down easily and fits into the included heavy-duty carry bag. Lightweight and compact, the PowerNet 7x7 goes wherever you do. Perfect for coaches, athletes, and parents on the move. Train harder, train smarter with PowerNet.